Hi dear students, welcome back. Now we are going to learn A sound words. Our first vowel is A. So today we are going to learn A sound words. Close your thumb today because आज हम सीखने वाले first sound which is first vowel. Okay, let's begin. A says A. Okay. Y says yeah, am. Yam. We have am sound word. Yam, jam, jam, jam. We have at sound. At, at. H, at, hat. R, at, rat. Hat, hat. Rat, rat. Then we have add sound. Ad sound. P, ad, pad, pad. Lad, 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 lad. Now we have an sound words. Pan, pan. Man, man. Man, man. Pan, pan. So we are going to revise once again. Yam, yam. Jam, jam. Hat, hat. Rat, rat. Pad, pad. Lad, lad. Pan, pan. Man, man. So we have revised vowel A. These were the words that give sound of which is A. Now it's your time to practice. See you next time.